student, good morning. Today we are going to see a chapter 2 and list in Python. A list is a standard data type of Python that can store a sequence of values belonging to type. The lists are depicted through square brackets. The lists are depicted through square brackets. That means the lists are enclosed with square brackets. This is a list. The list of elements enclosed with a square bracket, that data type is known as a list data type. Here you can see a type of list elements they given. First, empty list. There is no items inside to the list. That is a empty list, and only numbers. It contains only numbers. It is a list of integers. It contains both integer and floating point. The list numbers integer and floating point. And this is a list of characters, mixed value types. All the data types are mixed and the list created. So this is a mixed value data types. And last one, you know that list of strings. And one more thing you keep in your mind, lists are mutable, that is modifiable. You can change the elements of a list in place. Next, how can we create a list? To create a list, put a number of expressions separated by commas in square brackets. Dear student, if you want to create a one list, the list element should be separated by comma and it should enclosed with square value. Here you can see a empty list and the one more list they given for our examples. This construct is known as a list display. Creating list. This type we can create a list. Now we can see a one example program. Here L1 is a list variable and list is a keyword. Hello is the string list. Here they give in character list in character element. Next, creating list from keyword input. You can use this method to create a list element by using a keyboard. You can write like this: list variable and list keyword, enter list element. By entering the element, those elements are added inside to the list variable one by one. By this way you can create a list by using a keyboard. What is sir? என்ன சார் அது பை யூஸிங் ஏ கீபோர்டு கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க? நம்ம கீபோர்டில் ஒவ்வொரு நம்பராக டைப் பண்ணுறப்போ அந்த ஒவ்வொரு எலமெண்ட்டும் L1 அப்படிங்கிற இந்த லிஸ்ட் எலமெண்ட்டில் போய் நமக்கு லிஸ்ட்டாக க்ரியேட் ஆயிரும். தட் இஸ் எ கிரியேட்டிங் லிஸ்ட் ஃப்ரம் கீபோர்ட் இன்புட். நம்ம கீபோர்டில் என்ன பண்ணுறோம் சார்? வி ஆர் கிவிங் எ இன்புட் ஒன் பை ஒன். தோஸ் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் வில் பி ஸ்டோர்டு இன் அ லிஸ்ட் ஒன் பை ஒன், லைக் 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a creating list from keyboard input. Next, joining list. The concatenation operator plus when used with two lists join two list concatenated list. Dear student, if you want to join two lists, we can use a plus operator as a concatenation. Here concatenation identifies the plus operator. It will add the two list element. Now you can see a list 1 and list 2. The list 1 contains 1, 4, 9 and list 2 contains 6, 12, 20. If you add a list 1 plus list 2 like this, the list elements will be added and shows the result. And next, repeating means, you know, we already studied in string, sir, and concatenation also we saw in string, you know, same. Repeating means number of times. List 1 repeating 3 times. Repeating operator is star. List 1 element is 1, 3, 5. List 1 star 3 means the list 1 element will be repeated 3 times. That is a repeating.